आगे बढ़े. You guys are able to see the screen. Devanand, you can use chat if you are trying to speak because I am not able to hear you. ये yes सुनाई दिया मुझे. Congratulations, Devanand. So, first thing first, okay, what these classes will help you. Those who are in 11th grade, those who are in 11th grade, guys, those who are in 11th grade, I am promising you, you might be taking auxiliary support for your respective academic progress. Maybe you are going to some evening classes. Maybe you are preparing for JEE NEET in parallel. That is your auxiliary support, right? These classes will nullify those requirements. But still, if you want to utilize your time in that way, it's totally on to you. Okay? Sure, I'll never interfere with that vertical. But yes, I am quite confident that the classes, as we have a year-long plan, we are actually targeting the exam which is going to happen in the month of what we call it as September 2024. Yes, in between April wala exam will also come, right? Clear? That will by default get targeted, but the core target is with those who are there and they want to target those who are in 11th grade. Dominant of our batch strength of this scenario is in 11th grade, is going to be in 11th grade, and hence it will help us out to what we call it as to channelize the progress toward September 2024. September 2024. Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, sir, please. है ना सर? हाँ है, नहीं सर वो मॉर्निंग में नहीं है, हमने डेविएट नहीं किया, सारी क्लासेस सेम टाइम पे 4 days के लिए. नो, राइट सर, 4 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 5, सो दैट देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन, राइट सर. यस, हाँ 4 to 5 वही अल्टरनेट जो कल मतलब कल जूनियर्स का हुआ था, आज सीनियर्स का है, एंड लाइकवाइज मतलब यस राइट. मैंने ओके मैं अलग से भी कर दूंगा आपको, बाकी मैंने कर दिया था. इट्स 23 32 8. मैं आपको अलग से लिख के कर दूंगा. राइट सर, राइट सर. सॉरी, ठीक है. एनीवे, नाउ guys, please, okay, what I am stating today is going to be very important for everyone, irrespective of you are in 11th grade or 12th grade. Clear? Fine. Also, as I said, that these classes will nullify your requirement of any kind of auxiliary support in academic progress, right? Hence, I mean here that we will be covering all the topics. Generally, when we conduct a crash course kind of scenario for 90 days, 3 months and all, right? There, I generally target the portions which are very, very important. Clear? Sure. But here, in this year-long comprehensive approach, we are going to target everything which is included in the syllabus. Yes, we might vary our emphasis on topics, but yes, we will surely cover the topics. Are we clear with this line? Yes or no,
Yes.
everyone? Right? Sure? Sure. Fine. Let's proceed with our understanding of list of most important topics. Clear? Please. When you come to mathematics, in 11th grade, the most important topics are sets, obviously the first topic, relation and function, clear, complex number, binomial theorem. Anyone who misses out the elaborated form of these abbreviated names, right or not, please feel free. I can explain you if you miss out, right? Binomial theorem, BT, C, and complex number and all that, right? You guys are Gen Z. For you, BT means different thing as well, right or not? Sure. So, binomial theorem, clear? Then the most important topic comes. It is two-dimensional coordinate geometry. Most important. straightforward 25 marks का question will come from here. Sure. ठीक है. Then, yes, sequence and series is also important. Permutation and combination is also important. Related with permutation combination, probability is also important, but again very very important is 12th grade. 10th and 12th grade probability are of way more importance than 11th grade. That doesn't mean we are not going to cover the 11th grade, but our emphasis will vary, right? Sure. Then comes, okay, statistics. 10th statistics is more important than 11th. Please remember this. Clear? 10th grade statistics is way more important than 11th. In NDA statistics, there comes a topic called as correlation and regression. Clear? Correlation and regression. This is not at all a topic of CBSE. Hence, when it comes to crash course and all, I never teach it. I literally am telling you, I never teach it. And the reason beyond not covering it in the crash course kind of programs is that there comes two questions out of it. Coincidentally, if you check this year's paper, there are no questions out of it. And hence, I do not invest time on it. And I don't want you to invest time on it because it is not at all productive. Like 11th grade probability we will have to study. Yes, NDA में उससे question नहीं आता है. But it is important because you have to anyway write 11th grade annual exams board. Like it can be a board type exam or it can be a local school exam. But yes, you have to write. Hence, we will cover that. What is there in CBSE will surely cover. But what is not there in CBSE and not even important for NDA, please do not expect and don't even try. There is no point of learning it. Are you clear? Sure. Hello? Okay. 1 second. वो रिटर्न पिकअप है कुछ. अमन, आशुतोष स्क्रीन आउट हो गया. चलो ठीक है. Are we clear? These are the important chapters of 11th grade. Sure?
Sir, trigonometry.
I'm coming to that. Okay? Then there are certain chapters which are there as a unit. Some part in 10th grade, some part in 11th grade and some part in 12th grade. Clear? One such chapter is probability and another such chapter is trigonometry. And I have no limitation over giving start to trigonometry. Very, very, very important. 10th grade trigonometry, 11th grade trigonometry and 12th grade trigonometry. In all 3 grade trigonometry is there and this overall is a very, very important. And this is overall a very very important unit. हेलो, हाँ हाँ ऊपर आ जाइए. मैं क्लास में हूँ भैया. क्या है रिटर्न पिकअप क्या है? हाँ ये फेंको ना, उसको फेंक दो बेल्ट नीचे, कहीं भी फेंक दो, उसमें चला. So, okay. Trigonometry of 10th, 11th and 12th is very very important. And आराम से 8 minimum questions will come out of it. आराम से minimum 8 questions. Okay? Minimum 8 questions will come out. So mentally prepared. Very important. Right? श्योर. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, मैं थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस हूँ बेटा, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे चेहरे पे कम लाइट आ रही है, तो जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड, आई स्विच ऑन एन एक्स्ट्रा लाइट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम लाइक दैट, बट आई हैव दिस बैड कॉम्प्लेक्स. अभी ठीक है. हाँ चलो, ऐसा मेरे को स्टार वाली फीलिंग अच्छा है. ठीक है. सो अंडरस्टूड. दिस इज 11th वाला. क्लियर? श्योर. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Noted. Everyone, Vidansh, you just came. I was creating a list of most important topics for National Defence Academy written exam. Okay, Vidansh? Sure. ठीक है. कोई कम हुआ क्या? एक व्यक्ति कम है. और is it correct?
Sir, it's correct.
Correct. कोई कम नहीं हुआ. ठीक है. नहीं, I am expecting someone and he is not there. Prithvi is not there, right? Divesh, Prithvi is not there, right? Maybe
No, sir, he's not
Prithvi,
here.
हाँ, Prithvi has tomorrow, मतलब day after tomorrow physics exam, so he might be like कि मैं देख लूँगा बाद में recording. I'm anyway recording this session. ठीक है? Okay, guys, noted. Maths of 11th grade. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, there comes physics of 11th grade. When you look at NDA physics, or in general case physics, chemistry and bio, all three, physics, chemistry and bio, dominantly belong to your 10th grade. Dominantly belong to your 10th grade. Yes, some 12th grade chemistry comes. Some chemistry of 11th and 12th grade do come. But dominantly the physics, the bio portions are of 9th and 10th level, but elevated. They are not just mere simple versions of 9th and 10th grade physics or bio. They are thoda sa elevated. Hence, it is always suggested to cover those topics at the level of 11th and 12th. Like, I will tell you. In 9th grade in physics, I am particularly as of now talking about physics. In 9th grade, you had, in 9th grade in physics, you had motion, yes or no? Right? Laws
Yes.
of motion, right or not? Clear? Yes? Okay. Gravitation, work, power and energy, right? Yes or no? Right? In the same way, in 11th grade also you have these chapters. You have motion in 1D and 2D, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In 11th grade, you have laws of motion, clear? You have work, power and energy, and you do have gravitation, right or not? So it
Yes,
is
sir.
always suggested that you prepare these chapters at the level of 11th. By default, they will be helpful for you being into 11th and 12th grade. Yes or no?
Yes,
By
sir.
default. Hence, it is always suggested prepare at this level, so that whatever be the difficulty of question, it becomes easier for you. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Clear? Sure. Hence, it is suggested to prepare at the level of 11th. Okay? Sure. Then in similar 10th grade, you have electricity, magnetism and light. Yes or no? 10th grade, 4 chapters were there. First was light, human light, like reflection, refraction and human eye. Then electricity was there. Then magnetic effects of electric current was there. Then sources of energy was there. Right or not?
Yeah.
Might be in your case, as you belong to a stream when COVID was happening and all, it may be a case that sources of energy might have got deleted or some more portions, right or not? Clear? Sure. Okay. Can we proceed? Okay. So these chapters are there in 12th grade. It is always recommended to prepare them. See, 12th grade when you are preparing, even CBSE level preparation is way more than enough for NDA. Surely it is not enough for your parallel aspiration. That might be JE, that might be NEET, that might be something else. Right? Sure. But if you are concentrating dominantly on NDA, then 11th and 12th ka CBSE level preparation is more than enough for NDA. Clear?
Yes.
Noted. These are the important chapters of physics. Sure. Prashant sir will tell you about chemistry. Ashutosh sir will tell you about biology. That's secondary. I am not taking part into it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. Okay. Right now, Divyesh is done with his midterm exam. Divyesh, are you done with your midterm exams?
Yeah.
Good. Anyway, Kanishk do not have to go for any midterm exam. Kanishk is comfortable as he has already completed his 12th grade. Right? Vedansh, you are done with your midterm
Yes, sir.
exams or they are coming? Vedansh, if you are speaking something, I am not able to hear you. Done. Vedansh, you are also in
So
Navy
my class.
Children's School. Yay. Exactly. ठीक बढ़िया ठीक चलो ठीक है तो अब तुम दोनों क्लास में हो तो और बच्चों को प्रेरित कीजिए ठीक है ढंग से क्लास थोड़ा सा ना अगर एक अच्छा वाला 15-20 का स्ट्रेंथ हो जाएगा ना तो मजा आएगा पढ़ने ठीक है श्योर ठीक एनीवे प्रोसीडिंग so why I asked this question is Akansha, what is the topic ongoing in mathematics in school?
Sir, straight lines.
Straight line, two-dimensional coordinate geometry, right?
Yes.
Okay, same with Vedansh. Divyesh, was straight line included in your mathematics syllabus or was that not included in your mathematics syllabus? Of midterms. Was straight line a chapter included in your midterm syllabus or was that not a chapter included in your midterm syllabus?
It wasn't, sir.
It wasn't. Then is it the case that straight line is what is ongoing into your class?
No, sir. We are doing AP and GP.
Sequence and series.
Yes, sir.
शाबाश ठीक है Devanand, you are in 12th grade or 11th grade? Can you just share with me over chat or voice, whichever is comfortable? Yes, Devanand.
12th grade.
You are in 12th grade? Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
What is ongoing in your portions?
Integration, sir.
बहुत बुरी कॉफी बनाई यार क्या करेगा इंसान चलो ठीक है so Devanand do you remember what was there in two-dimensional coordinate geometry? Kanishk, see, in all these sessions, those who will get screwed more, sorry, Akansha is there, sorry for the words, those who will get ragged more is those who are in higher grades. Okay? I prefer seniors for ragging. Okay? Fine. Okay. So, Kanishk, do you remember what was there in two-dimensional coordinate geometry? Mostly no.
Distance formula,
Shabash. Exactly. Very good. You are coming in exact line of thoughts. Very good. Chalo, acha, theek hai. Keep on thinking. I will keep on noting. First thing we studied is 10th grade distance formula.
Yes,
right?
sir. Distance formula.
Very good. Shabash. Then
section formula.
Very good. Shabash. Section formula. Applications of section formula were two.
Yes,
formula
sir.
of
After
midpoint
that,
and formula of centroid. Right or not?
Yes, sir. Midpoint and centroid formula.
Very good. Then
Sir, 2D in a circle, sir.
Then one more thing. Area formula. Right or not? Big formula of area.
Yes, sir.
Maybe a case that because of COVID it might have got deleted from your portion. But it's okay. It's okay. Relax. You are going good. Proceed. Then
Yes,
what
sir.
did you study?
That's all.
That's it?
Yes.
Huh? Acha. Then you came to 11th
I
grade.
have
This was
focused
10th
on this
grade.
much only.
This was 10th grade. This was 10th grade. Then you came to 11th grade. And in 11th grade, what did you study? So in 11th grade, what Akansha said is what is going into her class, straight lines. Then you will jump to a chapter of circles, ellipse, parabola,
And
and
hyperbola.
hyperbola. This is there in 11th grade. Now, dear, from these two chapters, nahi, units, I'll say, right or not? This is 10th grade part and this is 11th grade part. Minimum of, you can check this year's paper as well, minimum of 10 questions will come. Okay, minimum of how many questions will come? 10 questions. Okay. Fine. Sure. Can we proceed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, quick question. Question number 1 will be answered by Vedansh. Question number 2 will be answered by Devesh, and question number 3 will be answered by Devanand. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
ठीक. So, question number 1. If 4, 3 and minus 1, 6 is a point, then what is the distance between them? Vedansh. What is the distance between them? x2 minus x1 का square plus y2 minus y1 का square, which comes out to be root of 34. Yes or no, Vedansh? Vedansh is bunking the class. Yes, okay. Thank you. Devesh,
Yes, sir.
if there is a point P which divides the above
Okay.
line segment in the ratio 2:1, then what is the
Yes.
x coordinate and y coordinates of P?
I'm not so sure.
No problem. Devanand, can you? No problem, relax. Akansha, please.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
There is a point P in between these points, okay, A and B. If point
Yes, sir.
P divides this line segment in the ratio 2:1, what are the x coordinate and y coordinates of point P?
So we use section formula.
Very good. M1 x2 plus M2 x1
X1
upon M1 plus
and then
M2.
M2.
Very good. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. So it comes out to be 2 by 3 comma 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, right.
Are we clear? Devanand, noted? Yes or no? Or should I write the formula? Devanand,
Yes, sir. Noted.
noted?
Please write the formula, sir.
Very good, very good. Shabash. So please note, if there is a point x1 comma y1 and there is another point x2 comma y2 and there exists a point P which divides this line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2, then the x coordinate of P is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. and the y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Good, Devesh. To all of you, beta, my request is, humble request is, never shy away in asking anything. Please. See, I will tell you why it is must. In a physical class, I am able to see your faces. By your facial expression only, I will get to know कि यार इसको चमका या नहीं चमका. Right? Sure. But here we do not have that facility. Even if you switch on your cameras, right, I'll have to see your ugly faces. Excluding Akansha. Right or not? ठीक है? हैं? ठीक? Akansha will like ये मजाक उड़ा रहा है आदमी मेरा. Sorry बेटा. चलो. So I don't want to see it. Clear? Well, if you guys are comfortable, it is always good to keep the camera on because it generates a different level of communication. But I'll not impose it on you. It's completely on your comfort. You are at home, right? You may be just ऐसा रजाई में ओढ़ के, वैसे तो you guys belong to southern part. There is no need of रजाई and all, नहीं तो ऐसे बैठे होंगे phone
Sir,
में,
it's
right?
raining here.
It's raining. Oh my god.
Sir, it's very cold.
Very cold. In Kochi में cold कहाँ होता है बेटा?
Sir, it's raining.
It's comparatively colder, right?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Chal, anyway. So, I generally, we do not have that facility. So, please, you upfront be available in telling कि ये मुझे नहीं आया समझ में या मुझे आ गया समझ में. Do not take it as a load on yourself. It's not your responsibility to make you understand. It's my responsibility to make you understand. Provided you express that you did not understood something. Getting my point? Sure. So please express whenever you need something which I might have missed. Clear? Very good. Devesh, very good. So, can we proceed?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
this itself, two formula is there, no, sir? Section formula itself.
No. So
Midpoint
there is
and
another case.
outside
I am
point.
coming to that case. Okay. Now, please look here. This point P is between the points. It's called internal division. It is called what? Internal division. Clear? This point P is between x1, y1 and x2, y2. It is called internal division. There is one more division called as external division. What is the meaning of it? Let me explain to you. Okay? Sure. Can we proceed? Divesh?
Yeah.
Sure. Noted. This is which kind of division?
This is internal.
Internal, right? This is internal division. Now see what I am saying. First, try to visualize it. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis as default. Here is the point 1, 0. Here is the point 2, 0. And here is the point 5, 0. Sure. Can you please tell me that in what ratio this point 2, 0 is dividing? Can you please tell me that in what ratio this point 2, 0 is dividing the line segment 1 to 5? You will say, sir, this is 1. Very good. And this is 3. 1 is to 3. Okay. After 2, there are 3 divisions, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Not 1 is to 4, 1 is to 3. Now, dear, please listen to me. 2 is an internal point, right?
Yeah.
Now, in what ratio 5, 0 is dividing 1 to 2? So listen to me what I am saying. Yes, we can consider 5, 0 externally dividing the line segment joining 1 and 2. Okay?
Yeah.
This is an external divisor. So 1 to 5 is how much? 5.
Yes.
2 to 5 is how much? 3. Understood? So
Yeah.
5, 0 divides 1, 0 and 2, 0 in the ratio 5:3, but externally. Understood? Sure. Understood the meaning of external division?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood the meaning of external division?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone? So what is the formula? Note. Formula is, प्लीज नोट डाउन द फॉर्मूला. बिल्कुल आराम से बनेगा, कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बिल्कुल आराम से. ठीक है. Structure is same, m1 x2 m2 x1 upon m1 and m2. ठीक है.
Okay.
श्योर?
Yeah.
पक्का?
Yeah.
श्योर. माइनस लग जाएगा. क्या लग जाएगा?
Minus.
समझ में आया?
Yeah.
आर वी क्लियर? कनिष्क
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
इन एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन क्या लग जाएगा? माइनस लग जाएगा.
Symbols will become minus.
यस. ठीक है. श्योर?
Yeah.
This is the formula for external division. So obviously for y part it will be the same, m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Then comes, we do not have to derive it, but just for understanding, the formula for area of a triangle. Half x1 comma y2 minus y3 plus x2 comma y3 minus y1 plus x3 comma y1 minus y2. I hope you guys are able to create the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Understood?
Yeah.
It will simplify your efforts to memorize it. This is the formula for area of a triangle whose three vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yes.
ठीक है. फाइन. ये है 10th grade. Now please
Sir, can you scroll up?
yeah, please.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
In 9th grade also you had thoda bahut triangles, I remember. Or did you guys had chapter called as construction?
Yes, sir.
Right? You know what is, sorry. You know what is angle bisector, median,
Yes, sir.
perpendicular bisector, altitude, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now your assignment for today is what are their intersection points called as? What do you call the point of intersection of medians? What do you call at point of intersection of angle bisector? What do you call the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector? What do you call the point of intersection of altitudes? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Can you just write down the question?
Yeah, I will. In a triangle, there exist certain things like there exist angle bisectors, yes or no?
Yes.
there exists perpendicular bisectors. Yes or no?
Yes.
There exists median. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And there exists altitudes. Yes or no?
Yes.
All these are three. I have drawn one each, right or not? I have drawn
Yeah.
one angle bisector. There are three angle bisector. I have drawn one median. There are three medians. I have drawn one perpendicular bisector. There are three perpendicular bisector. I have drawn one altitude. There are three altitudes, right or not?
Yeah.
So when you draw them, they intersect at one point. All these are concurrent by their very own property. All these are concurrent individually. All three altitudes will be concurrent. Means all three altitudes will intersect at one point. Clear? All three
Yeah.
medians will intersect at one point. All three angle bisectors will intersect at one point. Understood?
Yes.
All these features are individually concurrent. Okay? So the assignment is, what do we call their points of intersection? Yeah? I will give you an example.
Yeah.
Point of intersection of altitudes is called ORTHO, ortho, CENTRE, center, ortho center.
Okay.
Clear? So likewise, I need three more names. There are four things: altitudes, perpendicular bisector, angle bisector, and median. One I have given you, right or not? Three more I need.
Yeah.
Yeah. Their names also I will give you. You have to do the correct pairing. In center, circumcenter,
Yeah.
सेंट्रॉइड. ठीक है. So अब किसको क्या कहते हैं is your task. Fine. Okay, Devanan.
Okay.
So you have to finish and share with me on WhatsApp as soon as possible. No mandatory date. Okay.
What was the last one? Incenter, circumcenter, and centroid.
Centroid. Yes.
Questions once again.
So dear, now the homework has changed. You have to now tell me, in center is the point of intersection of what? Circumcenter is the point of intersection of what? And centroid is the point of intersection of what? Are we clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, this is your assignment, because I'm damn sure every year minimum one question will come from these, both in NDA as well as in JE. Clear?
Okay.
Sure. ये अच्छा क्यूट लग रहा है. चलो ठीक, आगे बढ़े.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
This is where your 10th grade ends. Yes, surely we'll have to do questions on them, but this is where your 10th grade ends conceptually. Clear?
Yeah.
Sure. And 11th grade starts with the name of a topic which has polar interest. Some people find it very easy, like I find it very easy, whereas some people find it very difficult. I don't know why. So it has got polar inclination. Either people find it very easy or people find it very difficult. What's the experience of you, Vedansh? You are ongoing through this chapter. What do you feel? Kanishk, you have been through this chapter. What do you feel?
Still feeling difficult.
You are feeling difficult. Akansha, beta, how do you feel about it? Difficult, easy?
So moderate.
Moderate. सही है ये. तू पोलर पॉइंट पे नहीं है. चल ठीक है. आगे बढ़े. कुछ मत करो. Divide the chapter into two parts. First part is 4 formats of equation of a line. Second part is relations. There are two types of relation. Relation of line and point, relation of line and line. There are 4 formulae here. Formulae is the plural form of formula. Okay. I think I am correct with the spelling, right? A-E, na? Not E-A.
Yeah, you are.
है ना? Sure.
That's correct.
Correct. Okay. Line and point. Line and point. There is one formula which is called the distance between a point and a line. Then line and line, there are two formulae. Angle between two lines, if they are intersecting. If they are not intersecting, then distance between two lines. Clear? Sure.
Yeah.
But for NDA, there are 3 formulae. For CBSE, there are 2. For NDA, there are 3. Distance, angle, and equation of angle bisector. Bas. This is the chapter. What you can see on this screen is what you have to learn in the chapter. Nothing else. Clear?
Yeah.
Sure. Make a note of it. I'll hold the class now. Not a problem. Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I am pausing the class, guys. Okay. I will share with you the timetable and the flow. I like the calendar flow. Okay, what is the plan for the proceeding of these classes and sessions? Clear? Sure. I
Yes, sir.
hope it was comfortable
Yes, sir.
enough to learn through this virtual mode. I hope my complete effort and energy I am investing in making this virtual mode of learning not fatiguous for you, rather a relaxing version. Clear? Hence, I do not extend the class time beyond 45 to 50 minutes of healthy discussion, 5-10 minutes of normal discussion. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
We
sir.
will jot down a plan and the frequency of the classes. For that, all of you have to individually message me if you are taking any, especially those like Kanishk is completely occupied with NDA aspiration only. He is not doing anything else. Means he has completed his 12th grade. But other than Kanishk, you guys are involved into either your 11th grade or 12th grade. You have to individually message me if there is any parallel thing you are doing. Like
Yes,
Devesh
sir.
is completely with me. Yes, for some support, he has a weekend engagement, right or not? Sure. So Devesh is throughout. Other than that, Devesh is completely with me. Vedansh is almost with me completely, right? So if at all you are taking any auxiliary support where post school hours your time is being consumed, just give me a simple sketch. Don't have to type, or if typing is more comfortable, you type, right? You can just write, Kisa, my school started at this time, ends at this time. Okay. Other than that, on these days, I have these engagements. Feel free. Clear? Based on
Yes,
that,
sir.
I'll create something um, which can be some in such a way that it will not influence your other ongoing activities, right? But will also in such a way that we will be able to complete the course well in time. Minimum 2 months revision we will need. Okay?
Yes,
Sure?
sir.
Sure. ठीक है, ठीक है. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.